Stop overcomplicating your System.io order bumps. You don't need to create a course just to deliver a simple PDF or bonus. Let me show you the smarter way, and it doesn't take that much time. Hey, I'm Gardus. I've been using System.io for over a year, and I just realized this. You can deliver your order bump with a simple email, no course, no lessons, no membership area needed. So let me show you how. First, we have to create a tag. For example, order bump 1, you call it how you like. Always refresh page after creating order bump, and then we go to sales panel. So I will show you example. So there we go to order form, scroll down, add order bump, digital product, let's plus create one. I'll deliver Facebook guide, and here in resources we don't take course, we go to tags and choose a tag, order bump. Then for price plan, if you already have, you choose your price plan. If you don't, you create a new one. So I already have FB marketing guide, $27. Yes, save. Also always double check if you have order bump already on your order page. For example, we don't have here, so we go to elements, order bump, or if you can also save in blocks, like I have saved order bumps in blocks. My blocks, just simple put it here. How you can save it? You can go to this button and you just add order bump, and that's how you save your order bump, so you can put it on more pages. So I have this one here. Also can look how it looks like. Wow, this all good. And so what's next move? Save changes, exit. Two options how to deliver. First option is automation rules. Create new rule, and the trigger will be tag added. Tag is order bump. So what happens when somebody buys your order bump? They will get a tag order bump. And now we have to create an action. What happens? And we can use this. Send email, and that's it. You can choose email if you already have made one, like I have. Maybe I have, I don't know. So, or click plus sign and just create it. Put your PDF file or whatever you have as an email. I have right? Yes, I have it here. Oh, we don't make any changes. Thank you. So yeah. So there's the guide. Add an attachment as well. I like it. Then just save rule, and that's it. That is first option. Second option is to go with workflows. So create a workflow, order bump, and same idea. If you run out of automation rules and you still have workflows, also create first trigger tag added, and the same order bump, create, and then plus action. Action is to send an email. Choose email if you already have, or create new one. Subject, blah blah blah. Save and edit, and put your order bump here. With workflows, always remember when you exit, remember to activate it. Boom. So it's green check mark here. No more setting up full courses just to deliver a simple bonus. Use this for checklists, ebooks, swap files, or even bonus funnels. And of course, you can still use courses if it is a course. But for simple order bumps, this is way faster and easier. Found this helpful? Smash a like button and subscribe for more quick System.io tips like this. And if you want them for your funnels, grab them in the links below.